Hey everyone and welcome back. Getting inaccurate transcriptions from Whisper AI. Let me show you how to improve accuracy even on the free plan. First, choose the right model. Larger models are much more accurate. Tiny and base models struggle, especially with accents and background noise. If your hardware allows you small or medium for better results. Second, pre-process your audio. Whisper expects 16 kHz mono audio. Run FFmpeg on your file to convert it. This small step prevents the model from misreading the input. Third, reduce background noise. Use FFmpeg loud norm to normalize volume levels. Quiet speech causes missing words. Overlapping voices cause major errors, so avoid recording multiple people speaking at once. Fourth, trim silence from your files. Long silent gaps at the beginning or end of recordings trigger hallucination. Where Whisper makes up words, remove dead air before processing. Fifth, set your language explicitly. When transcribing, add -- language N for English or -- language 8H R for Chinese. This prevents auto-detection errors. Sixth, use beam search instead of greedy decoding. Add -- beam size 5 to your command. This explores multiple possible transcriptions and picks the best one. Seventh, use custom vocabulary. Keep a list of words Whisper gets wrong, like brand names or technical terms. Apply a find and replace script after transcription to fix them automatically. For example, if Whisper writes Swift UI, every time replace it with Swift EI in post-processing. 8. Split long recordings. Whisper processes audio in 30-second chunks. The longer the file, the higher chance of cascading errors. Cut our long recordings into 10-minute segments first. And that is it. Larger models, clean audio, and custom post-processing will dramatically improve your results. If this helped, let me know in the comments. See you in the next one.